Let's talk about the elephant in the room.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
Ozempic face or Ozempic butt sometimes, just like you've seen in the photos. It's all over the media and it's all around you, in your friends, your family, your neighbors. But what causes it and what can be done about it? Well, it's caused by how quickly you lose weight and potentially lose muscle. You may be led to believe it's only caused by GLP-1 medication, but honestly, it's caused by rapid weight loss of any kind, any type of rapid weight loss brought on by eating too few calories. But what can you do about it? Prevent it. Prevention is key. With GLP-1 medications like Mounjaro, Ozempic, or Tirzepatide compound, Semaglutide, one of the main things that you can do to prevent it is don't move through your dosages too quickly. When you're on these medications, you start seeing results, and the first thing you want to do is bump it up, bump it up. I want to move up, I want to move up, because you start seeing that scale move, you start seeing new clothes fit, and you start seeing yourself looking so good so fast, and you want to move those doses up. And that's that's very tempting, but that's one of the worst things that you can do, because you're moving too fast and you're gonna cause that Ozempic face, and it's just not worth it. What you need to be doing is focusing on learning to eat right. And to do that, you need to focus on eating a diet that is high in protein. And to do that, you should find your target body weight, what you would like to end up weighing, and multiply that by 0.08, and that's going to determine your minimum grams of protein you need to eat each day. And honestly, you should try to eat more than that, and then work on your calories to make sure you're eating enough calories. You should be eating a bare minimum of 100 grams of protein a day. Now, you can supplement that with protein shakes, but those should not be your primary source of protein. Resistance training. You have to tone and build that muscle up to keep from losing muscle tone. You got to build that, keep that built up. You've got to. So no matter what your level is, no matter what you're capable of, move your body. And you do not have to have any kind of fancy equipment. You don't have to belong to a gym. No matter what you're capable of, do something. Get yourself some resistance bands. You can get them at Walmart for $10. Get yourself a little set of dumbbells, 5 pounds, and focus on doing a little more every day than you did the day before. And when you can, start doing weight training. You can start as small as vacuuming, dancing to YouTube videos, walking in place. Whatever you can do, do it. Just move. And like I said, if you do 2 minutes today, try to do 3 tomorrow. Next thing, drink plenty of water. Aim for a gallon of water a day. You have to stay hydrated with these types of medications, and staying hydrated is going to help with this. Don't allow yourself to become dehydrated. While you do not need to supplement with electrolytes, if you feel like you're becoming dehydrated, you may add electrolytes into the mix. Just be cautious, because some of those do have added sugars, and sugars can cause issues with this medication. Just be very cautious with that. There are many sugar-free options. Every person is different. That is very key to this medication. Every person's journey is different. Please listen to your body, listen to your doctor. And another major thing with this medication is designed to quiet the food noise in your head, and it makes you feel like you're not hungry, but you have to eat. Make yourself eat. Even if you have to eat several small meals a day, eat, make yourself eat and focus on protein, high protein. Do not try to do any type of fad diets with this. Don't do low carb, keto, carnivore, or any of that. If those things worked for you, you wouldn't be here. Think about it. You have tried all of that stuff before. Did they work? No. You are looking to develop a new lifestyle. You are looking for something permanent. Those things didn't work. If they did, you wouldn't be here. Focus on learning to do this the right way, permanently. You can't do those things long term. If you could, you wouldn't be here. Eat what you like, eat it in moderation, and do it responsibly. Just focus on the protein. Make the protein the primary target. Food is not the enemy. Add in vitamins and other supplements as needed. Like I said, just do it in moderation and with the approval of your doctor. Above all, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And that should be the only pounds that you be worried about adding during this journey.